Welcome to my channel. TP-Link AC1750 Wi-Fi range extender setup. Plug your TP-Link AC1750 extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED turns solid. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender. The RE LED on the extender will turn solid blue, meaning it's connected. Move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug in the extender and connect your PC/phone to the TP-Link_extender Wi-Fi network. Open a browser and go to backhand index pointing right http://tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Login. Default credentials are usually admin/admin, unless changed. After reboot, reconnect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. Place the extender midway between the router and dead zone. Avoid walls, metal objects, or microwaves blocking the signal. Use the TP-Link Tether app, iOS/Android, for easier management. Thanks for watching.